I'm Tim from Pool Builders Pool Shop. Today we're here at an Environ Pool at Bulimba, and today I'm going to show you a series of tutorials of how to keep your filtration maintained and running in tip-top shape. First thing I always start with is cleaning the pump basket. Okay, so what we want to do is come over to our chlorinator, which is basically the brains of the whole entire system. And the first thing we want to do is switch the pump off. So press our pool mode button, manually on is on, off is off. Okay. Then what you want to do is come over to the pump. Now this pool has what we call flooded suction, being the pool's up here, down here. So if we were to open up the pump basket, what will happen is water will just start flowing out on us. So what we've got here are these two valves, which we basically need to shut off to stop that from happening. So what we have here are the Zodiac Jandy valves, and the way we get them to shut off is basically in line with the pipe is off. We've got our return line here, and we've got our suction line here. So now both pipes are shut off, which will allow us to open up the pump basket and not have water spew out everywhere. Okay. So this is what's called an Astral P320 pool pump, and basically the lid is lefty-loosey, comes off, out comes the basket, and in there's the debris. Just give that a bit of a shake out, a bit of a tap out. You can give it a hose out if you want to. There's not too much in this pool, it's a pretty clean pool. What we're going to do is make sure we put our basket back in. We line it up nice and straight, lid back on, clockwise, and tight, bit of a crank, and always make sure you open your valves back up to allow for the flow.